Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use split screen mode on your Android. So let's dive in. This is my Android. I've already have the two apps I want you to use as a split screen on my minimize button here. So just click on your minimize button here, and this is it. I have my Facebook and I have my messages. I have my you can see. So I want to use my Facebook and my WhatsApp. So I'm going to go and open my WhatsApp too to be able to use the split mode. So just click on your WhatsApp here. Once you click on it, minimize it. Just gone here. Then you go back to your minimize. Now click on this arrow button here. Sorry. Click on go to back your minimize. Click on this arrow button here. Then click on split screen. Now you're not going to click on the app then you want you to do the split screen that you want to have access to the two apps. So just click on the second app like this, and you can see I'm able to have access to my Facebook. You can do anything on your Facebook like this, you can see, and I have access to my WhatsApp. You can see, so I can message my WhatsApp here and also be doing anything I wanted to do on my Facebook here. You can drag it a little up. You can drag it a little up if you want to drag it. So this is it. I can have access to my Facebook and have access to my WhatsApp at the same time. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.